Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So I'm going to be talking to y'all about the Aoocan, I hope I'm saying that right, Aoocan copper grill mats. Yeah, basically these are just these little copper grill mats. They come in a set of 3. They're absolutely reusable. Just kind of was recommended these by a friend who's really into grilling, and he said to get these, you know, it can really just up your grilling game. So yeah, I decided to, and I really dig them. We've grilled, you know, tons of things on these, like in the past couple of weeks since we've had them. We made pizza, we've made vegetables, we even grilled chicken on one of these, and you know, it works really well. We use them for our gas grill, but pretty sure you can use them on just about anything with a large enough surface to fit them. As you can see, they're pretty big. They run 16 inches by 13 inches, so yeah, you're gonna need a cooking surface that can fit the entirety of the mats. Cool thing about these mats is they're non-stick, so you know, you don't have to grease them up, you don't have to spray them, you can just put your food directly on them and you're good to go. Your chicken or whatever veggies, they're not going to stick and fall apart once they start heating up on the mat, which is really nice. Great thing about having these also with a grill is that you don't have to worry about any of your food falling through the grates as you cook. You know, it just makes your cooking experience much cleaner, helps you waste less food. You know, there's, I don't know, everyone that grills knows that plight of losing your food inside the grill, which is never really fun at all. The temperature rating on these things is 500 degrees, which is, you know, pretty sweet. They're made of this heat resistant copper. You know, it's strange because it really just, they're basically paper thin. The actual feeling on these is, you know, like a piece of paper, except they are made out of copper, so they're very heat resistant. You know, the cool thing is you can, you know, they're even so thin where you can just roll them up. I mean, that's how they come rolled up in this container. You can roll them up and put them away anywhere. So they're basically, almost to me, they remind me of like placemats, but you know, obviously a much tougher version of a placemat. So yeah, they're really tough though, and we haven't had any problems with them having any burn marks or really anything. The material doesn't contain silicone like you would think with something like this. You know, that's again just this heat resistant copper, and it's completely FDA approved if that's something that you like to look into when you're looking for cooking things, cooking materials. Essentially, the reason that it has this, and if you look kind of closely, you can see that it's not totally flat. There are little small ridges in there. This is because they have this like fiberglass coating, and it gives you like the texture of these mats. So it's not exactly flat, and you know, both sides are the same as well. So you know, another thing too, it's like you can grill these on any side. It's not, you know, like you can't mess up by sticking it on the wrong side or anything. Both sides are completely identical and come with that same fiberglass coating, and that can easily heat up as well. You know, again, it's not gonna crack or anything. It's 500 degrees resistant. Unfortunately, one of the things that I would say I don't really like about these is that you don't get the grill marks, the grill lines that people love so much when you're grilling. I mean, that's one thing like I love about grilling, is getting nice marks on my chicken or my burgers or whatever. Unfortunately, yeah, you're not going to get the lines that you would expect with this because you're not grilling directly over a grate. It's just a flat surface. What's so amazing with these is that the heat distribution runs along the entire surface of the mat. So you're able to cook multiple things on this and then know that, you know, for the most part, they're going to be getting the same amount of heat. And so that's, you know, what's amazing about using these is, like, you know, on a grill, there's a sweet spot, and usually your food's gonna cook better in that one sweet spot. So what you're doing with this is you're basically amplifying that sweet spot and moving it around the entire mat, allowing you to cook just more freely without worrying so much about whether your whether one piece of chicken's going to cook more than the other or something. But yeah, if you're looking for just like a really cool, useful, portable cooking utensil for grilling, I would highly recommend this. Again, they are the Aoocan grill mats. And yeah, Aoocan copper grill mats. Check them out, you guys. Have fun cooking.